Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can use cucumber juice. Yes, to my 52 subscribers, thank you so much. So we are going to use 2 cucumbers, a grater, a small bowl, a hair mist, a mist bottle, a strainer, some cotton pads there, as you can see, a scissors. Yes. So make sure that you watch this video until to
Tips
the
and
end.
precautions. Cucumbers are often sprayed with pesticides, so they may still have residues. Wash thoroughly. Some farmers or sellers also apply wax to keep the fruit shiny and fresh. So waxes may be synthetic, containing unwanted chemical contaminants. So make sure that you wash them thoroughly with running water or whichever way is okay for you. Yes, so make sure that you don't skip this step. So here is what you need to know about the science behind the self-care step about a cucumber. So first facts about using cucumbers on your eyes. Why do people put cucumbers on their hair? Cucumbers typically used to lessen dark under eyes, circles, and puffiness. What are the benefits of using cucumber on your eyes? Cucumbers could help moisturize the skin around your eyes, lighten dark circles, and reducing swelling. How can they pull that? So cucumbers are filled with plenty of water, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folic acid. So how to use cucumbers, you have to make sure that you chew the whole cucumber. That is if you want to use it for the eye, under eye, or puffiness, you have to make sure that you chew the whole cucumber in the refrigerator for at least an hour. When you are ready, then you use it, since it is up. So cucumbers are high in vitamin C and antioxidant and folic acid. Vitamin A, B, vitamin C helps stimulate new cell growth in the skin around the eyes. Folic acid helps fight puffiness and reduce swelling. Do they help? Or how it may help? Stimulate the antioxidants that fight toxins in your skin that may clear and soothe damaged skin. So a 2012 research review also suggests that applying cucumber to your skin can reduce dark circles. That is thanks to the vitamin K it contains. So cucumbers also brighten the skin because they can inhibit an enzyme called trinosinase. So trinosinase makes your body produce more melanin, a pigment that darkens your skin and help protect it from UV rays. So of course, it is unclear whether simply applying slices to your eyes will work magic. So these there aren't any studies that contain slices that slices are enough for one to see the beneficial effect of cucumbers. So cucumbers also help regulate body temperature, moisturizes the skin, prevents water loss from the body, strengthen the finger and toenails, and they're also good for the kidneys and urinary tract. So they act as a diuretic that flushes toxins out of the body, prevents the formation of kidney stones, regulates the body's blood pH, acidity or alkalinity of the body. It's also good for reproduction, it reduces hot flashes, other menopause symptoms, inhibits certain enzymes to help improve prostate gland health, reduces symptoms of inflamed prostate gland, helps relax the wall of the arteries, thus regulating blood pressure. It is also good for cancer prevention. It interferes with cancer cell growth and mutation, prevents atherosclerosis by inhibiting oxidation of bad cholesterol and the formation of clots in the arterial wall. It's also good for digestion, it neutralizes acidity in the stomach, prevents gastritis and gastric ulcers. It's also good for preventing immune cells from releasing histamines, which cause allergy. It strengthens the muscle, bones, ligaments, cartilage, and tendons. It also promotes muscle flexibility, preventing the accumulation of uric acid, which leads to gout. It's also good for regulating blood sugar, lowering the stress hormone cortisol. And like there are many ways on how you can prepare cucumber. Like you can eat it raw by itself. It can be added to salads. It can be juiced with carrot, apple, ginger, or watermelon, pickled. It can be used in science formulation, in the water phase. So it has many benefits. Yes. So like make sure that you strain your juice. So like you can use whatever gadget is available to you. Look at that. Like it's really looks so beautiful. Like now it's ready, and we are ready to use this beautiful cucumber juice. So like I've just gotten our spray bottle and the bowl, and so now we are going to put some of the juice into a bowl. We are going to use the cucumber in the bowl for our as an under eye to reduce puffiness, signs of aging. So you have to make sure that you refrigerate it. So now we just put it in a refrigerator, and now we are getting our spray bottle. We are putting in our juice. So for this one, like we are going to use it as a spray for our face. So like many uses. Yes. So like if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so and click on that resubscribe button if you want to be seeing more of these videos. And to all my viewers, I appreciate you so much for your support and your love. I know that one day you are going to subscribe. So now at this point, we are getting our juice and we are just transferring it in our glass cup. So all three hues now are ready. Can you see that? It's also so beautiful, and the color is beautiful. Like whatever God made is also so beautiful. Yeah, so now I'm just getting cotton pads and scissors, and we are just going to use one cotton pad, and then we are going to cut it into two. Make sure that you fold it nicely, and then you cut at the middle. So like if you have a challenge with puffy eyes, because there are many causes of puffy eyes, like stress is also a contributor. Also aging, it's not just about aging. There are many causes of puffy eyes. Yes. So like, of course, like we said, mentioned earlier on, like there are many causes of under eyes or puffiness. Like if you don't have enough sleep, allergies, smoking, and also like crying contributes to that. The aging process, loss of firmness in the skin and muscles happens as you age. So genetics also contributes, like having under eye bag can be a physical characteristic that runs in the family. Eating too much salty foods causes you to retain water and leads to swelling. So allergies also like causes congestion, and information from allergies can sometimes exacerbate under eye puffiness. Also smoking contributes to that. Yes. So like this is a very good hack to lessen puffiness and under eye. Yes, so like you have to make sure that you leave them on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Like you won't even have a challenge, like they won't be falling off. Yes, as you can see, I'm so relaxed. I even like shaked. Nothing was I had no challenge, like they weren't coming out. So I was just relaxing and meditating. Yes. So if you're liking this video, kindly click on that like button Yes, and subscribe to my channel now. Click on that red subscribe button. So it's been 30 minutes and we are going to remove them. So like gently remove them. Like immediately I saw a very huge difference. So like you can use this treatment maybe 2 to 3 times in a week, or it depends with you. So now we are going to use a mist, a face mist. Like it really brightens the skin because it's full of vitamins. It will refresh our skin, make our skin supple, look flawless naturally. Yes, look at that. Our skin is so bright. Yes, and look at that. So beautiful. So if you have any remaining, you can preserve it with a natural preservative or keep it in the fridge for 3 days, because it gets bad quickly. Like cucumber gets bad quickly. And so we are taking our cucumber juice. Very refreshing. I really love it. Yes, and the taste is so nice. Yes. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Are you going to make cucumber juice and use it for your face, for your body, for your under eye, for your puffiness? Which one are you going to use? Kindly comment in the description box below. Let's interact. And if you have any suggestions for this channel, kindly comment in the section below, and I'll be glad to read your comments and implement. Like I really love comments. I really love interacting. Yes, look at that. So beautiful. Like I was so happy, very happy and excited to make this. Yeah, so thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.